why we chose Lucky Boba, it's just pretty simple because of its service and quality. Before kami mag-franchise, I was an avid customer of Lucky Boba, as in every day, parang hindi complete yung araw ko without sipping the milk tea of Lucky Boba.
Classic cream cheese, ma'am. Large na po. Any additional order po?
Actually, medyo mahirap yung naging journey starting Lucky Boba franchise. But eventually, with the help of Lucky Boba, kila Ma'am Nice and Ma'am M, and kay Sir Christian and Ma'am Merel, naging smooth naman yung until today sa opening namin, sa grand opening.
Sakto lang po yung tamis, yung maganda rin po yung sago.
Tapos yung sugar level na 50, talagang ano mo yung tamis na sakto lang, hindi siya yung, hindi ka mananawa.
Several drinks, yung ibang-ibang series, ganyan. Pero so far, walang sugar coating, lahat talaga.
Actually, marami akong natikman na milk tea. Iba talaga, si Lucky Boba yung nag-suit sa taste buds ko and ng mga friends ko.
Pinaka-mare-recommend ko talaga is ito, yung cream cheese series nila. And yung matcha, must try talaga lahat. Go na sa Lucky Boba. Thank you!
Maire-recommend ko kahit kanino hindi mapapahiya. Kasi iba-ibang milk tea, iba-iba ng flavor pero isa ng lasa. Ito, iba-iba ng flavor, iba-iba ng lasa. So, recommendable talaga.
Inviting all of you to come here in Lucky Boba, Perla Street, Tondo. You will enjoy our cozy place and aesthetic. Our store hours is 12 p.m. till 12:30 a.m. every day.